boys and girls, it's Mrs. Quintillion. I am going to show you how to do your frog jump capital letters. This is on page 9 of your handwriting book. If you look at the F, you can see there's a number 1. This is where the line goes down. It goes down straight, and then we have a number 2. It goes across. Number 3. Across again. For E, we go down, they're frog jumping. Then we hop back up to 2, 3, and 4. For the letter D, we start with number 1, and we frog jump up to 2 and go around. P, straight down, frog jump up, around to number 2. B goes straight down, and we go around 2 big bumps. We're frog jumping capital letters. That's where it says frog jump. Okay? Letter R, straight down, frog jump back up, and kick it out. For letter N, we go from a number 1, 2, and then back up. That's how we do an N. Last one. M, straight down, down, back up like N, and down again. So we have the M. These these dots are where you can now do your letter F, your letter E, your letter D. Watch my hands, we're going from the top down. So we start with our letters at the top, and then we go down. Start at the dot at the top. You can finish going to the other dots on yours, and then you can also practice down here with your frog jump letters. Okay? So on your own, you can do those. The next page, page 10, is starting at the corner. Okay, starting at the corner. Mrs. Q needs to get rid of what we had there a minute ago. I'll erase it because it was still there. Okay, now we're starting corner letters. Do you see that at the top? This is page 10, starting corner letters. Sorry. Corner capital letters. So when we start at the corner, it's just what we're saying. Here's the starting at the corner, H, start number 2, and then across. Start at the corner, number 1, and then we do 2 and kick it out for K. We go down 1 and across for L. U, start at the corner and loop all the way around. There's our U. V, start at the corner and go up. W, start at the corner and up, down, up. X, we go down, and then the 2 tells us to go down again. There's our X. These are all capital letters. Here's our Y, 1, 2. And the capital Y does not hang down below the line. Z, we go like that. And once again, these underneath are where you can practice these letters one more time. Make sure when you are writing your letters, you're following the numbers. We're starting in the corner. Then you can go down here and start. Copy first, then start the letters on the paper lines. So you are to do page 9 and 10. Practice. Have a good time. See you later.